welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just taking you guys along with me. I really don't know what I'm going to call this video. Today I'm just going out with my friend and we're going to go take pictures like you guys seen in my birthday vlog. And if you guys haven't seen that one, go up here and go ahead and check it out. But we're going to take pictures today and just try to get some content out to you guys for me, because I've been a little MIA on Instagram ever since my birthday, and right now I'm just kind of getting ready. So this is kind of like a get ready with me vlog style video. So if you guys are interested to just go along with me on my day today, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel first. Go ahead and join the family by subscribing to my channel. So let's go ahead and continue along with my day. So right now I'm just kind of, I just filmed like a hair video, so I'm just going to let my hair air dry for like 30-ish minutes, maybe an hour, I don't know, and then just blow dry it to kind of speed through the process since Tiana's gonna be here any minute. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I'm not really doing too much, especially for like a photo shoot. I like to keep it simple. So I'm just letting my hair dry right now. I'm gonna put some gel on my edges though, so I can go ahead and sleek back. And basically, well, I'm not even gonna tell y'all what I used because you guys should watch the video before this one on what I used, but I just filmed that video like 20-ish minutes ago, so my hair is still kind of like drying, but I'm just sleeking down my edges with some argan oil gel by Eco Style and just sleeking my hair back. And then I'm just gonna pin this up to get that out of the way. So for my moisturizer, I just been using this right here, the Garnier moisturizer, and well, the Moisture Rescue. And I just think that's really good. Well, it's really good on my face. I like the smell. It's kind of like a light cucumber-ish scent. So I've just been using that, and it's been pretty good on my face and pretty good on my skin, especially for me because I have like really oily skin. I don't like using something that's too like oily on my skin because my skin is already oily in the summertime, especially if I decide to wear makeup. I forgot to put on my eye cream. I put on a lot. But also using the Mary Kay eye cream. I got this from my grandma, and yeah, I just been using it kind of ever since. I don't know, I use eye cream like morning and night because I'm doing better with my sleep schedule right now, so I'm not even gonna jinx it. But at first I used to go to bed at like 5 a.m. and then a whole lot of, but I'm just using these to prep my skin. This is the Juvia's Place foundation stick that I've been using if I do want to do a little makeup or whatever. But really I just do something like simple, especially when I'm gonna go take pictures, because I don't want to make it look like I'm like, you know, beat to the T. So for brows, I'm just gonna be using the Morphe brow cream in the shade Java. I don't know if I'm gonna tell y'all everything I use, but that's how it's gonna go for right now. I'm kind of like rushing, but I'm kind of like not, because I don't know what Tiana is gonna do when she get here. But yeah, so basically we're just gonna hang out today, kind of take pictures, because if you guys haven't noticed or you guys haven't watched my last video, she's like into like photography and stuff. So she's like my little photographer. I'm like her little manager. We kind of like work hand in hand, you know. Friends support friends, okay? Real friends support real friends, period. We're just kind of putting out some content for her business page, and also for mine, because I don't know, I just need to stock up on some content, especially for like the month of August, and just really in general, because I've been kind of slacking lately on my YouTube and on my Instagram. So yeah, but it's not really like, I don't think we're gonna do like professional pictures. We're just gonna be kind of just having fun with it, which is what we do always, but you know, nothing too much. So this look is gonna be kind of different from like what I normally do. Well, not really, but like my style is gonna be different. I'm kind of going for like more of like a graphic-ish street, if you want to say, style. So yeah, I had to go to Route 21 today to find like a shirt, like a graphic-ish shirt. I don't know. We're gonna see how this goes, which is gonna work out anyway for my good, because it always does. God is good, you already know. But yeah, I've been trying to just find, I went to Route 21 this morning to find a graphic type of shirt, because she wanted to do like a rooftop type of look. I bought some biker shorts too, because the ones I bought from Boohoo, they're really like comfortable, but they're not like thick material. So I went to Rue 21 to buy some, well, really to buy just a graphic shirt, and I was just gonna use the biker shorts that I already have, but I just ended up buying more, well, just like one more pair, because I mean, yeah. So yeah, done on the brows for right now. And to clean them up, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Now, well, I just finished my first video, so do you know where you want to go at?
I asked my friend and she said there's like a lot of them, so I have to like just find one and like pick it or whatever.
Tiana's here, and Jack's gonna take over because he get crazy with people. We finally left after like an hour and some change because I was not ready, like always. But we're gonna go to our first destination. And Tiana's driving.
Like the good driver I am.
Yeah. I don't know. This is what my makeup look like. It look alright, I guess. I don't know. This is what my makeup looks like. And then my hair. It's still like, well, it's not even drying, it's just doing whatever at this point. But skin is glowing, highlight is popping, period. And Tiana looking good as always.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Alright, you guys, so we made it. We're here. And we have the top level, like the top of the sun. I should have got this in a large because I didn't realize that it was going to be this big. But we're here.
Because my friend took one and it was like, the background was kind of pretty-ish. It was just like buildings, certain buildings in the background.
Where did she go though?
She tried to find it, but she didn't know. She tried to find it out from the picture.
I was like, the only place I could think of is like places like this, either in Macon or like Atlanta, and I was like, yeah, we're probably not going with Atlanta.
Let's hope the girl runs.
I know, right? Ooh, my hair is like looking crazy. Let me know if y'all can see me for real. We here. See?
Do you ever wonder like how many of your friends actually watch your YouTube videos?
I do. Not even gonna cap to you.
And like how much of it is just like
for real? I mean, the sun is beaming, like, zing. Right here would be good though. We just took her pictures, just a few. Really trying to find a spot because it's hot as frick out here. But I don't know. And then we can't get one because it's daggone. What them birds called? The ones that flare out with the different colors. Good, no. I forgot what they call. Some. You know the colorful birds that be flaring out when they get scared?
Oh.
That's what I'm looking like. Oh wait, I didn't get it. Alright, try again. I don't know, my hair is still basically drying, I guess. Cause, ooh, the sun is hitting. I don't know how this gonna play out, y'all. Cause I'm not a vlogger, but we trying to switch it up a little bit on the channel. You already know. Take mine on yours and then airdrop it to me?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, how would I do this?
It's just hot up here.
Yeah. Very, very hot. The girl was just talking to me about this shirt. She was like, I love this shirt, da da da, in the show or whatever she was talking about. And in my head, I'm like, does she not know? I don't really know what this shirt got to do with anything.
What are you talking about?
Like where this shirt like actually came from and stuff. Like the graphics on it. I was like, girl, do it look like I know what you're talking about? But I just went along with it. I was just like, yeah. I said, well, I just like the shirt. Oh yeah, let me show y'all the fit. My hair looking so crazy. So this is my fit. I got both of these from Routine and One. Hold on, let me like for the stretch bills. Okay. Alright. So this is my fit. I got this top, like a graphic shirt from Routine and One. I got some biker shorts. These are like high-waisted biker shorts from Routine and One. And then some regular checkerboard pants. And then Tiana.
Y'all doing the
Right.
But this is my fit, right? So this is a Free People tank top. It's like an athletic tank top, and then I have on the Nike everyday sweatpants, and then I have on some Air Max 97s, and I think it would be cute. Like, you see where it says small cars only? Like, if you took pictures, like, if you sat there, you could like put your foot up and like, and have it like in the background.
Y'all, my hair is acting crazy today. Like, it looks good. Curls are looking good. Cream of Nature got me right, but yeah, that video will be out before this one probably. But the fit, I don't even know nothing about this shirt, but I just thought it was pretty cool to have for this little shoot. And then here goes Tiana. Got Garnier. You parking over here?
Yeah.
Oh. I found her way up here. I know, I couldn't take them. I like them. It look like you don't like on top of the world in that one.
Yeah. They look good.
Alright, so change of plans. We came up here, take some pictures. Well, took some pictures.
Yeah.
And now we done.
For real this time.
Yeah, so that's a wrap. If y'all like this video, then make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below for more vlog style videos. And if you're not subscribed, please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ryan Little.